Hello guys, welcome to this video. So quickly, I'm going to share with you how you can use Google AI Studio to be more productive as a freelancer and also as a content creator. Without much ado, let's jump on it. So the first thing I want to do is ask Google AI Studio to help me rewrite my background, right? So this is my background here. Well, the first thing you need to do is to go to Stream Real Time and then start new stream. So when you start new stream, you see something like share your screen here. Now, immediately I share your screen, it's going to show me different options. So I'm going to click on the Chrome tabs that I already have. So I have my Upwork here and I'll select share. So when I share this, I'm going to come back to the stream real time. You see here, it means that the AI is already reading my profile.
Okay, I see your Upwork profile is being displayed on the screen. Is there anything specific you would like me to focus on?
Yes, please, I want you to look at my Upwork background. First, read the background itself and then rewrite it. Try to develop it and make it more convertible so that I can get more clients on Upwork.
Understood. You want me to look at your Upwork profile background and help you rewrite and develop it in order to make it more convertible so you can attract more clients? Is that correct?
Exactly.
Okay, I understand. First, I will read your Upwork profile background, and then I will rewrite it, providing you with a new version. I will start now. I see that your background starts with, I offer marketing blueprints tailored to your brand's needs, ensuring a clear roadmap for achieving your goals. From influencer marketing to lead generation, my strategies are designed to create authentic partnerships and attract high-quality prospects, keeping your sales funnel active with ready-to-convert customers. Then it continues with, more than just data analysis, I provide actionable insights that drive decision-making. My reports are concise, impactful, and customized to your business, giving you the confidence to take bold steps forward. And finally, it ends with the statement, if you're seeking data-driven insights, custom marketing strategies, and a steady flow of top-tier leads, let's connect. Together, we can craft the perfect blueprint to elevate your brand. Okay, I've read through your background. I will now work on rewriting it.
So now that it has finished reading it, I'm going to ask it to rewrite it. So let's see. So please go ahead and rewrite it. Let me see what you got.
All right, I'll go ahead and rewrite your background. Here's a revised version. I develop custom marketing strategies that drive results. From influencer partnerships to lead generation, I focus on creating authentic connections that attract ideal clients and keep your sales pipeline full. I go beyond data analysis to deliver insightful reports that empower you to make informed decisions and take confident action. If you're looking for tailored marketing strategies, data-backed insights, and a reliable flow of leads, let's collaborate and elevate your billing together. How does this new version sound to you?
So guys, you can see that just while he was saying all these things, he was also writing them down. So you can just go ahead here and copy whatever you want to copy here and transfer them to your Upwork profile. Your new Upwork profile background is ready. So the reason why I'm doing this is that I got a lot of messages from people asking the questions like, please take a look at my Upwork profile and see if it's good. So this is a good way to actually review your background if it's the best. And you can actually ask AI to check some of the things that you're missing if you explain to it just in words what you want it to do. So thank you so much, and that's all for now.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help you with your Upwork profile. Is there anything else you need assistance with today?
So guys, there's something else I really actually want to do. So over the years, we've been looking for ways to actually optimize our YouTube channel. So because we have data and reading them or interpreting them is a bit difficult to do. So I'm going to share my screen with AI Studio, looking at our channel's analytics and see what AI Studio can actually do with this. So this is the analytics of our Audible Talents channel, and we're looking at how we can optimize in order to reach more audience, and serve our audience better as well. So can you give 10 actionable insights that can help us improve our channels, looking at the age, the demographics, and every other detail on this page, including the time of post and the countries.
Okay, you're looking at the analytics for your Audible Talents channel. You want actionable insights to improve the channel, considering factors like age, demographics, time of post, and country. Is that right?
Yes, you can also look at other data provided there. Can you mention more?
Sure. Besides age, demographics, time of post, and country, the analytics page also shows the gender of your audience and how many of them have subscribed to your channel. Is there anything in particular you want to know more about?
So I want you to generate actionable insights from the data.
Okay, I understand. You want me to generate actionable insights from the data presented on the screen. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, here are some actionable insights based on the data shown in the screenshot. First, the top geographies section shows that Nigeria accounts for the highest percentage of your views at 22.5%, followed by the United States at 9.8% and India at 8%. This suggests that your content resonates most with audiences in Nigeria. So you could consider creating more content specifically targeted towards that region. Also, notice that your views in the US and India combined are almost the same as in Nigeria. So you could consider diversifying your content to cater also to the interests of those areas. Also, the graph shows that your audience watches your videos the most between 12 p.m. and 6 p.m. You may consider scheduling your videos within that time frame for better results. Does that sound helpful so far?
Yeah, keep going.
Okay. Another thing you can do is engage with your audience more. The subscriber bell notifications section can give you an idea of how many of your subscribers have notifications turned on, which is important for maximizing viewership when you upload a new video. If that number is low, you might want to try adding a call to action at the end of your videos, reminding viewers to subscribe and hit the bell. Also, under the top geographies section, you see there are filters, namely all, videos, and shorts. You could investigate if the trends of viewing by geography is different across your videos and shorts, and that might help you make strategic decisions. Would you like me to elaborate more?
Yeah, please, can you look at the age brackets of the people who actually watch the videos and how we can appeal to those age brackets that watch more of those videos?
Okay, I can do that. Unfortunately, the screenshot does not show the age brackets of your viewers. You can usually find that information on the YouTube Studio Analytics page, under the Audience tab, but it might be in a different section or tab. Once you find the age brackets, please share a screenshot with me and I'll help you figure out how to appeal to those specific groups.
Okay, I just did that.
Okay, thanks for sharing. Based on this new screenshot, the 25 to 34 age group watches the most of your videos, accounting for 53.4% of your views. The 18 to 24 age group accounts for 35.4% of your views, and the 35 to 44 age group accounts for 10.3% of your views. So, this information suggests that your content appeals mostly to younger to mid-age adults. Given that, you may want to tailor your future content to what these demographics would be interested in. Do you have more questions?
Yeah, what do young adults actually look for in channels like ours in terms of content?
Okay, you want to know what type of content young adults in the 18 to 34 age range typically look for in channels like yours? Okay, young adults in the 18 to 34 age range often look for content that is informative, entertaining, relatable, and authentic. This could include content that is educational, thought-provoking, or humorous. They also like to see videos that are well-produced and have a high production value. So given that information, you could create content that focuses on your channel's specific topic, but present it in a way that appeals to young adults. This could mean incorporating humor, keeping the videos engaging, using modern production values, or creating content that is relevant to current events. Would you like more specific content ideas?
Yeah, please, more specific content ideas.
Okay, here are a few specific content ideas you could explore for your channel. Considering your channel is called Audible Talents, you could do behind-the-scenes content that focuses on the process of creating your audios and how you find the talent you feature. You could create videos that analyze trending audio clips, explaining what makes them popular or effective. You could even try creating videos where you discuss how to improve one's voice for aspiring voiceover talents, or even tips on how to improve speaking skills for interviews and public speaking in general. Do those ideas sound like they could work for you?
Hello guys, so from this video, you can see that you can actually use Google AI Studio for a lot of things. So this is just one of the things I practiced with. You can also tune a model with this app. What I mean by tuning a model is that you can actually create your own custom AI to perform certain tasks for you. So there are a lot of things. There's a starter apps, This is a video analyzer. This is an interactive video player that lets you summarize, describe things, extract text, and search for objects and more. So we can actually add a video by clicking on this button. So for instance, through our tab, we can actually upload a video. So I'm trying to upload a video. I don't know what video this is, but I want to see how this can actually work. So guys, it's loading the video now. Let's see what the video is all about. Okay, the video is up. So it's asking to explore the video through any of these means, but let's generate captions that describe the scene along with any spoken text placed in quotation marks. So it's doing that with Python. So you can actually use this to analyze a video. Finally, the initial thing that this thing was actually built for is to create prompts. So you can push Gemini to the limits of what AI can do, powered by Gemini API. You can actually get the API code and use in any of your application. So guys, let me know if you would use this. I see this as a very powerful tool. If you are actually stuck in any app that you're using, all you just need to do is to share your screen, and Google AI Studio will guide you through this stream real time. This is my favorite feature for this Google Studio. So let me know what you think in the comment section.